Hello, today we have two rules and we need to find the special area on a graph where both rules are happy at the same time. Let's take it nice and slow. Let's clean up the second rule a little bit. We just swap the order so it's easier to read. Minus y plus x is the same as x minus y. First, let's draw the line for our first rule. We pretend the sign is just equals. To draw a line, we need 2 points. When x is 0, y is 5. That gives us the point 0, 5. When y is 0, x is 5. That gives us the point 5, 0. Now we can draw a straight line through these two dots. Now let's check which side of the line to color. We pick the easy point 0, 0 and put it in. 0 plus 0 is 0. Is 0 bigger than or equal to 5? No way. So we shade the other side away from 0, 0. Now let's do the same thing for our second rule. We change the sign to equals and find 2 points. When x is 0, we get y equals minus 1. That's the point 0 minus 1. When y is 0, x is 1. That's the point 1, 0. Connect these dots with a straight line. Let's test the point 0, 0 again. 0 take away 0 is 0. Is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes, it is. So this time we shade the same side as 0, 0. That means we shade above and to the left of this line. Let's find where the two lines meet. We add the two equations together. X plus x is 2x and y take away y is 0. So 2x equals 6 and x is 3. Then y is 5 take away 3 which is 2. The lines cross at 3, 2. Now let's put both lines on the same picture. For the first line, we color above it. For the second line, we also color above and to the left. The special area where both colors overlap is our answer. Let's make sure we colored the right area. Pick the point 2, 4. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 is bigger than 5. So the first rule is happy. 2 take away 4 is minus 2 and minus 2 is less than 1. So the second rule is happy too. This point is inside our answer area. We did it. The answer is the area where both shadings overlap. It's the region above the line x plus y equals 5 and above the line x take away y equals 1. The two lines meet at the point 3, 2, which is a corner of our special area. Both lines are solid because the rules include equals. Great job.